There's no time to grab a beverage. This is a quick grocery shopping haul. I'm talking about 3 minutes quick. So let's go straight to the haul. Starting off with my waffle bowls and that great value vanilla bean ice cream, whole natural almonds, pomegranate lemonade drink mix, some good old strawberries, Ritz crackers, extra butter, I said extra butter popcorn, cheese it, that's for mama, some whole wheat saltines, some caramel rice cakes, oh, that's for me, 2 bags of waffle cut potatoes, and some salad dressing, crispy onions, tortilla strips, and croutons for my salads. 1 pack of hamburger buns, 1 can of biscuits, some apple juice, y'all know that's for mama, mango punch by Minute Maid for me, some orange juice, some 2% milk, and of course, we never go to the store without getting eggs, some white rice, mixed berry yogurt, peach yogurt, and you see it, you know we're always eating bananas, some lemons, some cucumbers, an onion, and I'm going to try some avocados this time. 1 tomato for mama, some salad for both of us, some Ziploc bags, 2 bottles of Lysol cleaner, some Glade lemon scent spray, of course, some bleach, and another spray bottle, and of course, I need a Sam's Run. I bought this cheap paper towel for now. Well, that's it. A quick shopping haul. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.